Hey guys, it's Mason here. I'm back with a new video, as I said I would be. This is just going to be an updated room tour, because last time I did one of these, it was about 2 or 3 years ago now, I think. So yeah, it's definitely been a while. So, yeah, finally got an actual PC. This is what we're working with. It's not much, but it gets the job done. And just, this is the desk. It's a bit messy right now, but hey, we'll deal with it. Just standard bed and other stuff. Just a bunch of random stuff piled in the corner. We have to clean that up. Hat collection. Kind of proud of that. All my sweaters and stuff on the door. Model collections and box collections. I collect cans too. Gotta get rid of that Coke one. I really love like this Cherry Coke Funko Pop. It's one of the better ones that I have. I got it for my birthday about a year ago now. Birthday's actually on Tuesday, so hopefully that'll all go well. Got one of these calendars, sort of just tells you a fact about each day. The projector clock, Lego sign, giant dirt bike, wood panel, and then, yeah, that's basically it.